Welcome to the online class again, part 6 Fourier integrals and transforms. We continue. Here I take a question again. Using Fourier integral, show that omega cube sin x omega by omega raised to 4 plus 4 d omega equal to half pi e raised to minus x cos x greater than 0. So we take f of x equal to e raised to minus x cos x greater than 0. And we take Fourier sine integral. Here sine function is there. Sine integral of f of x is integral b omega sine omega x d omega, where b omega equal to 2 by pi integral f of v sine omega v dv. And f of v is e raised to minus v cos v. So we substitute in place of f of v e raised to minus v cos v. Then sine omega v is there. Sine omega v is as it is. We have to write. Then we have cos c sin d formula. We have to apply cos c sin d to integrate this cos c sin d. Cos c sin d is half into sin c plus d sin c minus d. And as I told you before, c plus d is 1 plus omega v dv. Omega into v. C minus d is 1 minus omega into v dv. E raised to v is out. And we have to multiply this to cancel first. 1 by pi right out. And e raised to v minus v, we have to multiply these two terms first. And if we are multiplying e raised to minus v into this term, we will get sin 1 plus omega into v. Similarly, here we are splitting into two terms. Again, 1 by pi is written out. So we have to write integral 0 to infinity e raised to minus v sin 1 minus omega into v dv. Then, in this case, we have to apply the formula. Integral e raised to ax sin vx dx. The formula we have to apply. Integral e raised to ax sin bx dx is e raised to ax by a square plus b square into a sin bx minus b cos bx. A is 1 here, b is 1 plus omega here. This formula we have to apply here in this case, first one. E raised to minus v sin 1 plus omega into v dv. This one is e raised to ax by a square plus b square is the formula. So a is 1 here. A is minus 1 here in this case. A is minus 1 here, not 1. A is minus 1 here. And b is here. A is minus 1. So we have to write a is minus 1 here. And b is 1 plus omega here. B is 1 plus omega here. So e raised to ax means e raised to minus 1 into v, which is e raised to minus v divided by a square is minus 1 whole square, which is 1. B square means 1 plus omega whole square into a sin bx. A sin bx. A sin b is 1 plus omega into v minus b. B is 1 plus omega here. B is 1 plus omega here. B cos bx. So similarly here also we will get the same term. We will get only the difference is in place of 1 plus omega. We have 1 minus omega. We have to write everywhere. 1 minus omega we have to write everywhere in place of v. In place of b. This one we have to apply lower limit and upper limit. Upper limit is infinity and we know e raised to minus infinity is 0. So this complete term will become 0 and e raised to minus lower limit is 0 here. So e raised to 0 is 1 or e raised to minus 0 I have written, which is 1 by 1 plus omega square. I have simplified here. A plus this is 1 here, 1 plus omega square is 1 plus 2 plus omega square, 1 plus 1 is 2 here, 2 omega here, omega square here. So this one is omega square plus 2 omega. This is simplified form here. Then we have to apply for v. For v we have to, the lower limit is 0 here. So for v we have to apply 0 here. So this term sin 0 will come, which is 0. And it is cos 0 here, which is 1. So it is 1 plus omega will come here. Minus. So we have applied here both upper limit and lower limit. Similarly here also we will get the same term, only the difference is here it is minus and here it is minus. So all the remaining terms are same. Then we have to write the remaining terms here. This minus into minus will become positive here. So this one 1 into 1 plus omega, 1 plus omega. The divided by the denominator is as it is, and here minus in here it is minus, so this minus is written here. This minus into minus, again it is positive here. So this is 1 minus omega will come. This minus is this minus written. This minus of minus positive will become. Then only the difference is in place of plus we have to write everywhere minus. This one here also minus. Then we have to cross multiply these terms to simplify. So this one I am simplifying like this. 1 by pi into this one we have to cross multiply 1 plus omega into this one is omega square plus 2 into minus 2 omega. This is written here minus of 1 minus omega into omega square plus 2 into 2 plus 2 omega is written as it is. Then we have to multiply these two terms first, then these two terms second. 1 into omega square 1 into 2 1 into minus 2 omega omega into omega square omega cube, omega into 2 omega, plus into minus it is minus here, omega into 2 omega square. Similarly this minus of written 1 into omega square 2 omega square 2 omega, this minus omega into omega square minus omega cube, minus omega into 2 minus 2 omega, minus omega into 2 omega minus 2 omega square. This is minus of term here, minus of term. So this minus of term you have to simplify again. That is I have shown here again. This term is written omega square 2 minus 2 omega cube 2 omega square till here I have written same. This minus of term you have to multiply minus into omega square minus into plus 2 minus into plus 2 omega minus 2 omega minus of minus omega cube plus omega cube minus into plus minus 2 omega minus of minus is positive. The last time minus here it is positive. So these all terms we have to write alternate. Plus is minus, minus is plus. Plus in place of plus we have to write everywhere minus. So this first three terms are plus here. So the first three terms you have to write negative. The last three terms are negative here. So last three terms you have to write positive to multiply by minus. Then cancelling the terms, plus minus terms, omega square and omega square cancelled here. Minus 2 omega plus 2 omega cancelled here. Then 2 and minus 2 is cancelled here. So what is remaining here? This term here, minus omega square is already cancelled here. Then this minus 2 omega square cancelled here. This 2 omega cancelled here. So only two terms are remaining here. One is omega cube, one is omega cube, which is 2 omega cube will come. The numerator will come only 2 omega cube. This if you are substituting, this is a square minus b square form. If you are multiplying a square minus b square form, this I have simplified here. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square form. So a square means omega square omega raised to 4. 2 into omega square into 2 4 omega square plus 2 square is 4 here. Minus this is 4 omega square. This 4 omega square is cancelled. It is plus or minus term. Omega raised to 4 plus 4. It is omega raised to 4 plus 4. So the denominator will come omega raised to 4 plus 4. So this is what about our left side is. See what is this one? B omega here. This b omega we have to substitute in this place. Sin omega x will be there also. So this will be there sin omega x d omega, writing this term inside. This is 2 by pi in the question in place of b omega. 2 by pi is this 2 pi will we have to write here. Then taking this 2 by pi out, this term integral will get pi by 2. 2 by pi will become pi by 2 into f of x equal to f of x is we have taken e raised to minus x cos x greater than 0. Next example we have to take find the Fourier cosine integral of f of x equal to 1, 0 in between 0 and 1 equal to 0 if x greater than pi. So we have to write cosine integrals of cosine formula we have written, and a omega we have written first. This is cosine formula we have taken. A omega is this 2 by pi integral f of v cos omega v dv, and f of v is here 1 we have to substitute. Cos we have, if we are integrating we will get sin omega v by omega. Upper limit is 1, so sin omega into 1 sin omega, and sin 0 is 0, so only one term you will get. This one term we are substituting here a omega place. This is sin 2 by pi into 2 by pi written out, sin omega by omega, sin omega by omega, cos x omega d omega. So this one implies this 2 by pi, if we are taking to the left side, pi by 2 into f of x we will get pi by 2 into f of x, and we see that f of x is 1 here, and if you are substituting 1 here, f of it is pi by 2 into 1, but it is 0. So one value is pi by 2, one value is 0. So there is a point of discontinuity there. So we take the average pi by 4 equal to pi by 4 if x equal to 1. Next example, find the Fourier cosine integral of f of x a square minus x square in between 0 and a. So we write cosine integral formula we have to take. In that we have a omega here. A omega is 2 by pi, integral is f of v cos omega v dv. And we substitute f of v here, which is a square minus x square. We have taken f of v here, so a square minus v square cos omega v dv. And there are two functions here we have to integrate. First function into integral of second. First function is a square minus v square into integral of cos is sin omega v by omega minus derivative of a square minus v square is minus 2v. Derivative of a square is 0 minus v square is minus 2v. That is written here. Into integral of sin is minus cos omega v by omega square. Then this term is minus, next term is plus. Differentiating this one minus 2v, it is plus minus 2 here. Then this minus is here, integral of cos is sin omega v by omega cube. Then make this minus of minus positive. We have to make the minus of minus positive in the last step, not in between the integration. And in the limit is 0 to a. The upper limit is, if I am substituting the upper limit a here, a square minus a square is 0 here. Lower limit, if I am writing 0 here, sin 0 is 0 here. So you note that the first and two terms of this term is completely 0. 0 minus 0. Then minus of minus. Then if you are substituting a here, 2a into cos a omega will come here. 2a into cos omega by omega square. 0, if I am substituting 2 into 0, it is 0 here. No need to write 0 here. But I have written 0 here. Then plus 2 into upper limit a. So 2 sin omega a by omega cube minus lower limit is 0, sin 0 is 0. So we have only two terms here remaining. So this positive term I am writing here first. For positive term I am writing the 2 is the common factor here. 2 I am taking out. So 2 into 2 it is 4 by pi. And sin omega a omega is written here by omega cube is there. But here one omega is missing. So we have to add an omega up. So 2a omega taken out, a omega into cos a omega by omega cube. So now the denominators are same. This if you are substituting in place of omega, and we write f of x equal to integral a omega cos x omega d omega. We have to substitute a omega here that we have obtained here. Then this we will get like this. And this 4 by pi, if you are moving to the left side, we will see it is pi by 4 into f of x. And f of x is written as, taken as a square minus x square. So writing a square minus x square in between 0 and a. And note that the point is, last point is a here. A square minus a square is 0 here. Here also 0. So there is no point of discontinuity. This is what about the sixth part. I will continue the class again. Okay, thanks for watching.